this is a review of the tire inflator that is portable and has a 180 psi air compressor, and it also has it works for motorcycles and pretty much for your car and bikes that I'll be doing a unboxing and review on. And without going any further, we're gonna unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so we have the package unboxed, and this is pretty much everything that you get inside the package. So we got the cigarette lighter, so you can use that inside for your car to pretty much charge it. Then right here, you got the USB. So you have the USB option as well too, so you could use that to charge it. So you have two ways to charge it. And right from here, you can see we have this right over here, which is the tire pressure machine itself too. And I do love the fact that it feels very good, and it's very lightweight, and it looks, it doesn't have like a whole lot of weight on it, and it's portable. And we're gonna turn it on to see how it turns on. So you can see I do love the fact that it does come charged up, so it's at 100% level, and it already has the PSI level, and it's at 36. But usually when I do it on a car, I put it at 32.5. But yeah, we're gonna pretty much test this out to see how this works. We're gonna do it on a car tire. And I do want to mention that this is not only for your car tire, but you can use this for your motorcycle, your basketball, or a bicycle, or maybe a motorcycle tire as well. So pretty much it's universal for all types of vehicles and motorcycles. And yeah, we're gonna be testing this onto the car to see how it performs, and whether or not if this tire pressure machine is worth it. Okay, so here we are in the garage. All you have to do now is pretty much get, to where you think the tire is sitting low. Take the valve stem off, and we took it off. Now we're gonna turn on the tire pressure machine and pretty much inflate the tire. So you can see here we're sitting at 30 psi, which is completely good and normal, but I'm gonna be putting it to 32.5. Just, that's the tire pressure I usually put on to each of the tire on the car. Okay, so let's test it out. So you can see here, it really doesn't take that long, and this is one of the things I like. And this is not like one of those things where you have to put inside your interior of your car, the cigarette lighter method tire pressure machines that people usually have. I definitely love this tire pressure machine because of the fact that you no longer have to use your cigarette lighter to pretty much go into the car, and this is portable, pretty much charged with the USB. And I would definitely recommend this tire pressure machine if you're looking for a replacement set or pretty much a new one. Then this is probably one of the best tire pressure machines you could get, and because of the fact that it's portable, it's very easy to use and user friendly, and it does for motorcycles, bikes, bicycles, pretty much for anything, universal for all types of tires. And overall, I would definitely recommend this because it makes the job much more easier, and you no longer have to use cigarette lighters into the interior of your car. And I overall, I love this product.